Explain, why is there a difference between the temperatures obtained with the two models, the one obtained with the parameters, and the one generated with the software? Is there any? The main difference is that one of the parameters is made by the students and the one generated by a software is generated by Desmos, so the software one must be more accurate. Second, from the two models, which one is better? Explain your reasoning. The one generated with the software because it is more accurate being done as it says with a software and not by hand. 3. Explain the behavior of the temperature as it passes. Every year the temperature is increasing, but depending on the season the temperature will variate, but at the end it does increases. What does the period represent in the present context or situation? The amount of time that had passed.
Why is there a difference between the temperatures obtained with the two models, the one obtained with the parameters and the one generated with the software, if there is any? The software takes into account more data than our model when graphing it, since our model was made using only averages. For the two models, which one is better? Explain your reasoning. The software is better because of its accuracy when calculating and graphing compared to our model. Explain the behavior of the temperature as time passes. Temperatures rise as global warming becomes more of an issue, making the average temperatures increase compared to previous periods. What does the period represent in the present context or situation? It represents the months we measure when we first made the graph, which represents 10 years.
Why is there a difference between the temperatures obtained by the two models and if there is even a difference? I believe there is a difference because the software takes into consideration a lot more numbers than what we do, making it ever so slightly more accurate and a lot more complicated. From the two models, which one is better? Explain your reasoning. I would say the software is better since it can literally take a lot more information to get a result. Also, it can't make errors unless the person giving the data writes it incorrectly in the first place. Explain the behavior of the temperatures as time passes. So as the year goes on, the temperature increases until reaching its highest point in summer, which is known to be the hottest season of the year. Then it gradually goes down as we get closer to winter, the coldest season of the year. What does the period present in the present context or situation? It represents the amount of time we are taking into account. In this case, it would mean the 12 months of each of the 10 years of data we took.